This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great being here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading some melodies together that are written in tablature, as that is the focus of this particular lesson series. Right now, we're working in first position, so that means the index finger plays the notes that happen in the first fret, middle plays the notes in the second fret, ring finger plays the notes in the third fret, and pinky plays the notes in the fourth fret. And the special focus of this part of the lesson series is reading melodies written on the lower strings. So we're especially focusing on those lower strings right now. Now, this video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. So in the book, we're going to be on pages 88, 89, 90, and 91. So pages 88 through 91. We'll be playing songs 119 through 123 found on those pages. And as we're playing these melodies together, of course, we're going to be jamming with the band. So it's going to be you, me, and the band playing these songs, which is going to be super, super fun. Each one is going to happen at two tempos, first a slower tempo and then a faster tempo per our usual, and they'll just go right in order. If you're struggling to play any of the melodies at the slower tempo, then you want to pause the video, work out the difficult spots, and then resume playing right along with me and the band again. And then try it at that faster tempo. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. Alright, I hope you're enjoying this and that you keep getting better and better at playing the guitar. So much fun. In the next video, of course, we're going to play some more melodies that are in the Tablature Book. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.